Alrighty fellas, today we're going to check out how to create this really cool chain brush here in Photoshop. Okay, so I'm going to go with the subject as a reference and the artboard size is going to be 1080p. Alright, so here I'm going to drag and drop this chain stock image, which of course is made in Adobe Firefly, so it's not even stuck. And I'm going to uncheck the layer with the subject. So here what I'm going to do is, let's go to the filter and select the liquify. And I'm just going to make some of the chains sharp. So I'm going to decrease the size. The pressure is pretty high. And let's go here. And I'm just going to make it spiky. I'm going to try to make it pretty gentle. I'm also going to stretch this area. Doesn't need to be perfect. Let's click OK. I'm also going to need to add some more contrast on this. So let's go to the image adjustments and select the curves. And here I'm gonna push the contrast. I'm gonna try it out with this. Click OK. And let's go to the layer with the chain. Right click on this. And I'm gonna select convert to smart object again. And now we're gonna need to remove the background. So let's go here and select remove background. And again, let's go and right click on the layer with the chain. Select convert to smart object again. Okay, so from here, we're going to need to uncheck the layer with the subject. And I'm going to select the rectangle marquee tool. And here I'm going to select the area with the chain that I want to create a pattern from. After you selected the part from the chain, you're going to go to the edit. And let's go down and select define brush preset. Rename it chain. Click OK. And let's go and uncheck the layer with the chain. Press Ctrl D to deselect. And activate the layer with the subject. And I'm also going to create a new layer. So on this one, we're going to need to paint. And I'm going to press and hold Alt and drag the right mouse. And this way, you can see it is going to create a mess. So to fix that, let's go here to the brush settings. And we're going to need to increase first the spacing. And as you can see now, it's going to try to create a proper chain, but they are not linked. So now we're going to go to the shape dynamics. Make sure to check it. And make sure the size jitter is on off. Also the roundness jitter is on off. And let's go to the angle jitter and we're going to change this to direction. So now it's going to try to link it. You can go back to the brush tip shape and here rearrange it maybe. And now you can apply the chain. And pretty much that's how you make a custom chain brush here in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.